Hi, welcome to my channel Takniki Gyan Guru. Today we will discuss how to set up source code repository. Especially we will talk about GitHub, where we will log in and create a repository, clone repository, and we can download the project from GitHub to our local system. We'll make some changes, create some folders, and then push all the changes into the Git or GitHub. So let's move to the demo. We are in browser, so let's open a new tab. Type github.com. Okay, so in this page, this is the landing page of official GitHub site. You can go to pricing. It is free. You can join as a free. If you have a team, you can pay 3.67 per month per user, or enterprise version. We will not discuss it. So let's go join as free. I have already created, so you can give the username, email address and password, and you can directly create an account. So I have already an account. I will just log in and put the password and sign in. Once you will sign in, you will this is the landing page, and by default you have created one repository, right? So let's create, if you want to create one new repository, you can put some name. I said ms demo, make it public, and create a repository. Okay, so I have created a repository here in vs in GitHub. Now we need to clone from this URL, right? So once we push our code in this URL, we'll have our projects. So how we'll do this? We can go to the command prompt and check. I have already installed Git on my system. If you want, I can come back with some another session for how to install the Git. But for now, I will not install Git. I'll show you how to you know clone the project and push our code. Let's move to the command prompt. Okay, we are now in command prompt. So let's see, I have already put some file and folder. There's a dir in Windows command prompt. So you can see I have backend folder, front end folder, and docker compose.yml file, right? So these are my this is my project, and I want to push this project to the GitHub, right? So what how can I do that? First of all, I need to clone my URL or my project, like git. I have already installed the Git. If you want, I can come back with some separate videos on this. So let's git clone. So now I just need to copy the URL. We have already created repository ms demo.git, right? So let's enter. We'll cloning the ms demo into your local system. Then if you are not in a main branch, so you need to switch your branch. If you're working with different project, then you need to git checkout be main, right? So we need to move to the main, or someone has the master branch, whatever branch, right? So you, if you want to switch from one branch to another branch, you need to git checkout be main, right? Already exist, so we don't need to do that. So one folder is created now ms demo, right? So I need to copy these things into the ms demo, and then let's copy x copy backend to uh, ms demo backend. Okay, this is directory, yes, all is copied. Now front end folder also need to copy. You can go to directory in Windows, and directly you can copy and paste. So I am just showing you. front end. Okay, front end. This is also D, and copy one more file. This would be Docker, right? And MS folder. Copy it. Let's cd to MS folder now. And now see. Now inside this folder we have the backend, Docker Composer file, and frontend. All three folder and files are there inside the MS demo. This MS demo is linked to our repository now, right? So now initiate your git. Let's say git init command. It will be initiate the git repository, and then add all your folder into your git, right? It will be only local right now. Let's say git add dot. So git add dot means within this folder or whatever files and folders are there, that will be added to your git in the local system, right? Local server. It is still not into your GitHub, so it will add this. Now you have to commit your changes, right? So I'm just committing adding new project to GitHub, right? If I enter, okay, this is just committed. Now we need to push this everything from here to the mm, the remote, right? So for that we need to add the remote, means we need to create a link from your local git server to the GitHub. So how we can do that? We can type git remote add. Remote is you are creating a link, or add, we are adding it, and we say origin. You can give some other name also, but origin, we are giving name of origin for this link. We are giving name of this link that will create a bridge between your local server to the to remote server, right? Origin, and you need to give it the path of the this waste. So now what is the command? Git remote add origin, this one. So this will add a new remote, name it, the name will be origin. So remote origin already exists, so it will not need it to add it again. Now we need to finally push our code, like, so what is this command is, we are just pushing git push. We are pushing our all code, all committed code from local server to origin. Through origin, right, we create a remote, that is the bridge through the origin to the main branch. We have the main branch, correct? So let's enter and check. It will ask for the authentication. I have already created. You can add new account and add it. It will ask whether you want to log in with some token ways or device authentication, or user id and password. So you can choose any of the authentication method, and then you can continue. Yeah, it is already added all these record into the main branch. So let's move to the browser and check our code is already there or not. Now we are in the browser. You see same ms demo, and there is no project added. So because we haven't refreshed it, right? So once we refresh, because we have already added, this page is not refreshed yet. So let's refresh it and see. Yeah, now you can see the backend folder, front end folder, Docker, all three, two folders and three files are added. We have already understand how to create the project and how push our code from local server to the GitHub repository. So this will end to our video. Do like, subscribe, and share, and also comment if you need any help or do you want to discuss some different topics. So we will come back with your specific topic and discuss. Thank you so much. Bye.